Hello, my beautiful people. This is your girl Diamonique in the palace. I bring you just the sweetest and the best gist you can ever ask for. Wow, my people. Kobolisika Kobos in married don't finally finish. And we get our own analysis for this house. We'll get for put and for down. First of all, I want bring down this particular talk where I go tell everybody and I go tell the social media. Una stop for the bully Diveshela concerning the Kobos in married. You know correct. Ina and Kobos they get their misunderstanding. Diveshela and Kobos they get their saga. That their saga don't finish. They don't get their problem. So the problem not last end. So they Kobos comot come for his own page, talk say me no man bully Diveshela under a page. So the fact way una dey go under Kobos page, una dey go talk say Diveshela come and talk now. So that one no, it no mean no nothing. And I not see and say Kobos and Diveshela they get almost one and the same family. Una not see and say Kobos invite Diveshela own family. Diveshela grandson be inside that occasion. Diveshela grandson be for Kobos in occasion yesterday. So they get one family. They dey like one. You understand no? So now stop with the bullying Diveshela, come and talk again and so on. Your own not too much and so on. That one I think for the past way maybe they begin their one or two saga the way man no even fair know the real reason. Una just the add una more for day. That one no fine. You understand no? So I go tell una this our social media people then say una will stop with the bully Diveshela concerning this. Kobos married. Kobos all married and we like them. Congratulations to my sister Kobos. May God bless you and Imasa. My people, now no see occasion yesterday. Occasion been a sweet occasion. No. Obi they expect so many people them, although they not turn out. Ask your come in a husband. Ask your husband dress fine no. Ask ya, mommy, you come on house, you know see address it. Where? Ask ya, you come on house, you know look the mirror. You know first say maybe you don't born and your stomach be a little bit big. It can't for fun. You would have seen the mirror to see and say your belly. It can't for fun. They are close to where I yesterday. See your belly all your day for fun. You know you cannot even walk well with it. But I come for big occasion and so now I can know how I do things. You are a celebrity. Come on, as I will better clothes. A person will see you, respect you, so no at all time you represent. Come on, as I was on kind of thing like say you go nightclub. You can go to nightclub. What about this one so more jungle different thing? People so that marriage still on the marriage issue yesterday. You know it been an easy thing. Baba when they call it Rasta, now will be cameraman for yesterday for we for laugh and learn show you all the wonderful things them and so on. So a plus for Baba because Baba in short Baba all my life swag yeah. Rasta, all man like Rasta swag the way Rasta just go left, calm down, support his sister. I mean say Rasta no where the way I'm married Kobos get for the carry you hand, I no lie you. Kobos get for the carry you now hand, yes. Still on that married palava. Kobolisika Kobos don finally turn Mrs. Toju Obasere. Yes. Where we congratulate them 250 times. We no stop for the congratulate them for the channel. So the month end. Yes, the marriage so they enter inside Valentine's Day and I one wish all my people for the happy Valentine's. So I love una very much. Oh, I love una sote. I feel just die. I love una. Love. They love plenty. Yes, my people. Still on the marriage issue. Some people they come out as I talk how for court wedding. Koboliseka Kobos no put on the regalia for court wedding. Man say no put on a better clothes for court wedding since as Namawe know how to dress and so on. He wear a lace scarf for court marriage. And for court marriage, that way they want snap and give some snapshot. It must not be smile and so on. A lot of talk up pass for concerning that one. Analyze on my own way. Kobos na my way no dressing. Yes. And when I get for no say Kobos come from China, it no make up to 1 week or 1.5 weeks where Kobos take a married. It no easy. Look the time where Kobos come on say me you want go take he close. Now that morning time for 7 o'clock. Where you want go take a close that morning time. You don't know if the clothes go fit fine or you no go fit fine. So more no really talk press hard on Kobo say your clothes no fine, the clothes we use them for court wedding no be being a fine clothes and so on. Kobo na normally person we know how to dressing them. Some more forget maybe the clothes they no give on time and so the clothes on time and so on. Someone no really press hard on you for that part. Yes, and the part say master no smile for court wedding and so on. Gandhi will upload some video for the owner or get for go watch and travel Gandhi be. Where that man sape dance with so they movie code. That means say battle for. Now just say the man are that kind of over serious person way. If you no tell you say grandfather smile or that kind of thing, no smile. Even people they know you normally. Now that kind of serious person, they got a serious over serious grandfather. Over serious grandfather than that. So we just forget about that part. Another part where person talk say the grandfather na person wey wan catch Kobos money. Kobos get much. I bet una know that kind of thing no. Una know the Nokombeles family. Wonderful thing. I don't even know say that grandfather come on inside the Nokombeles family. If you want to hear about the Nokombeles family, now one of the richest people the inside Southwest, inside Kumba, Nokombeles family. They need to that family. I'm saying that grand play where they know it stand fine. A grand you hear play you go. You hear education. You don't go masters, PhD. Now kind of grand they go school where they choose to read a book. And get to say the man slim and so on and so forth. Some person got to say Kobos he married a person he opassy the grand opassy. Yes, the grand opassy for some number of years, but opassy that much. A person got to say instead na Kobos opass the Pastor Toju. Ma tell una something Una see the Pastor Toju with Kobolistika Kobos are married. Is sengement very badly. A sengementical married that we know over sengement. If you want compare their number of years or their age difference, now see and say Pastor Joju he big past Kobos for like 3 to 4 years. So Pastor Toju na Kobos a big man for some number of it. That means say he correct say me they married. When I forget say Kobos get big skin and so Kobos just get a fat skin. So when I know about the like pressure they get, talk for they get and so on. Don't married. None of you or whatever you see now will make any sense. Yes. And I'm happy. May God, I wish them the best of life, the best of married life, where if you ever think of. May God cement their relationship. May they move from glory to glory. Because Bible talks say he that finds a wife finds a good thing, obtain favor from God. may God make give them, pikin them, give them money, anything wey that Pastor Toju define am or Pastor Bass he define am, see am and Kobos. You know say you get for represent any side wey you go so for that Lagos represent we we never forget you pass through laugh and learn, check one or two things them, always give you updates on how you dey. Yes, you still our sister and we love you so much. So please, if you still watch this video and you never yet subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Don't forget to press that bell notification so that anytime I upload new video, you'll be the first to come and watch. Thank you. Peace, my people. Happy Valentine's.